So now, to create the S3 bucket, after you log in to your S3 bucket, let me just go back to the service. When you log into the S3 bucket, to your Amazon portal, Amazon admin, you will see this. So when you see this, you can either come here to create to click on S3 bucket, or you come here to enter S3 bucket here. So once you enter the S3 bucket, you click on the S3 bucket, it will open to this page. When you open this one, so you come here, click on the S3 bucket, scroll down from the S3 bucket, you give it name. What's the name I want to give? Let me just give Yori. Let me say Yori S3 bucket. Yori S3 bucket -1. So now I scroll down here. Let me just omit, unblock it, just check it. After check all this, I come back to this file. After that, click on the create bucket. After you click on create bucket, you hold on a bit. What's going on? Okay. It said the name is bucket name must not contain uppercase. Okay. It must not contain uppercase. Let me change it to lowercase. So okay. Click this. Okay. I need to check that I acknowledge that I'm the one. The reason why I bring this one is that since I've, here they said block all public access, and I uncheck the block public access. You need to let them know that you are the one. You acknowledge that you are the one. You know the implication. The essence of this thing is that all the file, anybody can access the file. Fine, that's what we want the S3 buckets to do. That people should have access to the file we have both in our storage. So if you want your this thing to be protected, you can check it, and there are some other settings that you are going to do. But now you need to acknowledge. That's purpose why this thing is just displaying here. So I need to click on the create bucket again. So when you click on the create bucket, so it will just hold on. Now it's creating fine. So when this one is created now, after you finish creating this one, so now let's now click on this name. Let me bring this recording down a bit. So when you click on this name, you will find out that there is nothing on the bucket. We don't have any file. Let me click on one file, upload. It asks me to upload, add file. So I will just come to where I have the file. I think I have the image here. Okay, let me upload all this image. So it asks me to upload. Fine. Hold on for this thing to upload. Just hold on. It's in progress. Fine. Successful one is successfully uploaded. Like that, you can see it. So you can begin to see that this thing is successfully uploaded here. So now let me go back to the. So now, after this one is successfully uploaded, the next thing you need to do, just click here to go back to the S3 bucket file. So when you click on this, look at what is going to happen. When you click on any of the file to open it, you will notice. Where is it? Copy this, paste it here. You will notice that the file will not be accessed. It will block the object. Access denied, access denied, access denied. What we need to do, we need to quickly set it up. So how to set it up is this. You come to the bucket, go to permission. When you go to permission, you scroll down where you see a policy, a bucket policy. This, you see a bucket policy. So what you need to do here is that you click on this edit. So when you click on the edit, look at these two things that you need to do. The first one here, just look at the policy example for us to first look at some example we can make use of. Policy example. Hold on, it's loading. You scroll down, scroll down, scroll down. You look at the sample. Let me look at the sample I prefer to use. There's one here. There's another one. There's another one. When you look at this, all this. There's another one. See? Hold on now. Restrict which object tag. No, I'm not using this one. Allow all users to read only objects that have a specific tag key and this. Only object that has specific tag and this. So I can decide to copy this one. Look at this. Let me just copy this one. When I copy this one, you can now come back to your distance where you have S3 bucket. Look at what I want to do. You paste it here. But make sure that you change the name. Hold on, let me just quickly come here to see something. Done. This is the version I want to use. Read only. This is the version I want to use. Read only. Read only. Read only. Begin to look at it. There is a way we can generate it, but there is a way we can generate this thing. So let me quickly generate it instead of passing through all this process. Click on policy generator. That would make this thing to be faster. You click on this S3 bucket, put the asterisk here. So now here, I say get object, get object, get object, get object, get object. So now after get object, I need to come here to copy the file, which is this. Paste it here. So after pasting it here, remember that in this one that you copy, where is it scrolling now? So there is one saying slash this. So I will come here now and say slash asterisk. I think is a slash asterisk is here. Yes, slash asterisk. So slash asterisk, you had it. When you had it, generate this one. So you now copy this. This is what I need. I'll copy this. This is what I need. So I'll come back here. Let me highlight this one. Delete it. You see that? Paste it back to that place. So after paste it there, so I will need to save it. I will need to save it. After saving the file now, so you will notice that yes, fine, everything is saved proper. Object ownership, fine, fine. So now let me now go back to one of the image. Let me go to one of the image. So just copy the URL for me to access. URL to access. Can you see it now? Fine, perfect. Everything generated perfect. So now because I enable it. Can you see it now? So we need to close this so I don't need this one to again. So now any image I just put on this thing, it will be visible. So people can be able to have access to that image. I have 3 images here now on my S3 bucket. So people will be able to have access to all the 3. You can continue uploading picture to here. They'll be able to upload it. Now this, let me go back to my file now. So you can make use of it in any of the file, any website. So it will be easy, it will be accessible now. You see there. See, this is the second one. Can you see it now? So I think everything about S3 bucket and access is done now. It's done now. So I think it's done. Yes, that's good. So let me stop.